Hi, welcome to Future Technos. Today we're talking about one of the most talked about smartwatches in the Garmin world. The Germain Venu 3. Right now, it's the closest thing Garmin makes to an Apple Watch, a Samsung Galaxy Watch, or even a Google Pixel Watch. It's stylish. It's functional. And it doesn't just focus on workouts, it blends health tracking, lifestyle tools, and exercise features into one. It was also the first Venu to add a microphone and speakers. That means you can make calls right from your wrist. But there's a catch: your phone still has to be nearby. So the big question is, what's next? What will the Garmin Venu 4 bring to the table? Will it be a tiny update, like some brands tend to do year after year? Or will Garmin make a big leap forward? I've been digging through every rumor, leak, and insider hint I could find. And the list of possible upgrades is exciting. Some of them could change how you use a smartwatch completely. Let's start with the biggest rumor: LTE connectivity. This is the feature everyone's been asking for. If Garmin adds LTE to the Venu 4, it could make calls, send messages, and use more connected features without your phone being anywhere near you. Think about it. You're out for a run. No phone in your pocket. But you can still take a call. You can still reply to a message. You can still stream some music. That's freedom a lot of Garmin users have been waiting for. Right now, the Venu 3 can make calls. But it's more of a Bluetooth bridge to your phone. The LTE upgrade would change that completely. Next, there's talk about an improved heart rate sensor. Garmin already makes solid heart rate tracking tech, but the Venu 4 might push accuracy even further. That's good news if you care about precise workout data. It would also still work with external chest straps, which are the gold standard for serious athletes. So whether you're doing light workouts or intense endurance training, you'd have more reliable data, but that's just the beginning.